And the last step will just be to pull down your bed face. My helper's got that mattress. I'm going to go ahead and unbuckle this mattress strap. I'll open the legs. You'll lay that mattress down onto the bed's face, and we'll just adjust it in position. And now we'll just adjust this mattress strap, get the length right, and that'll hold that in place. We appreciate your business here at Wilding Wallbeds, and we hope that this installation video, as it follows our printed instructions, will be helpful in putting one of our spring lift or studio style beds together. Again, we appreciate your business and hope you love the product. If you have any questions, please call the 800 number at the bottom of this screen for our customer service department.